Well, I guess I start a lot of things there with that deep subject. Papa Hank here from Natural Grandma, and I'm looking in the doors here. These will be the garage doors on this east end of the new Natural Grandma winter chicken facility. The garage doors are all laid out there. Gonna get put in later this week. But we do have the west end closed in with those polycarbonate doors. That leaves that total west end all greenhouse effect. And I'm going to start up and give you an outside view here. They have a little motor running on it. Now I'm going to go around to the west end and show you a west shot on it. So stand by. So as you can see, we have it enclosed in all but those two doors now. And it's a very good thing because, as you can see here, we have a beautiful sunset again, just went down over there. But we have the Natural Grandma working crew over there. Those hens are right out of west, still living in the semi-trailer. And they are anxious to come and get in the greenhouse because their production will go up quite a bit when they get inside there. So it's not very far, and we're really close to them moving, and should make them a lot happier. So as we say good day on another day here, we have Bosco, the Natural Grandma guard dog that lives down here. Hi, Bosco. Sit pretty there, good boy. Tell everybody goodbye from Bosco at Natural Grandma. Goodbye.